A high-quality stand mixer frees up your hands completely, turning the busy task of baking into a relaxing and joyful experience. The Martha Stewart 5.3-quart stand mixer boasts a large capacity, capable of mixing up to 9 dozen cookies, and features 12 speed settings that operate incredibly quietly. Key highlights include anti-vibration suction cup feet, a convenient tilt head design, and a silicone-edged beater that scrapes the sides of the bowl precisely. Real-world users praise the mixer for being lightweight, stylish, and offering smoother performance than traditional, pricier models. However, for exceptionally thick dough, it is best to process it in smaller batches to ensure the machine's long-term durability. If you're watching on YouTube, click the Amazon affiliate link in the description to grab this deal before the price changes. With this mixer, preparing whipped cream or pastries for your family becomes incredibly easy. Click the Amazon link in the description to secure this offer now. Please subscribe to the channel to support us in creating more great videos.